So this video is about signals in railways. Railway signaling is a system used to control railway traffic safely, essentially to prevent trains from colliding. Signaling consists of the system, device, and means by which trains are operated efficiently and tracks are used to maximum extent, maintaining the safety of the passenger, staff, and rolling stock. It includes the use and working of signals, points, block instruments, and other equipments. The object of signaling is to provide facility for the efficient movement of trains to ensure safety between two or more trains which cross or approach each other's path, to provide facilities for the maximum utility of the track, to provide facilities for safe and efficient shunting operations, to guide the train movement during maintenance and repairs of the track, to safeguard the trains at converging junctions and give directional indication of diverging junctions. Types of signals based on the function are stop signals, warner signals, disc and color light signals. Based on the location, it is classified as a reception signal and departure signals, which are further classified into outer, home signal, starter signal, and advanced starter. Stop signals or semaphore type of signals. So these are the earliest form of signals used in Indian Railways. These signals display different indications to the train drivers by changing the angle of inclination of a pivoted arm. The stop position is the normal position and it is said to be on position. The arm can be lowered at any angle of 40 to 60 degrees with horizontal and it is said to be off position. So in this picture you can see an horizontal arm in a post with a white strip in it. So this is called a semaphore arm. When it is horizontal position, the signal is said to be on and the train driver has to stop the train from further proceeding. In the next second picture, you can see the semaphore arm is inclined. This position is called as off position and this position gives green signal for the driver to proceed further. Next is the warner signals. These warner signals are similar to semaphore signals in shape except a V notch at the free end. A white band is also present in this warner signal, which is also in V shape. Warner signals are placed in the same post of semaphore signal, but 1.8 to 2.1 meter below it. The warner signal is painted yellow and exhibits yellow or amber color at night instead of red color. So in this picture you can see in a single post there are two signals. The red one is the semaphore signal and the yellow one is the warner signal. In the first picture we can see both the arms are horizontal, which means that the driver has to stop the train without moving further. In the second picture, you can see the semaphore arm is inclined and the warner signal or the warner arm is horizontal, which means that the driver can proceed safely to the railway station, but he can't travel further. In the third picture, when both the arms are inclined, it indicates that the driver can confidently cross the station. Next are the shunting signals. These signals are used for shunting operation in station yards. They are circular disc with a red band on a white background. The disc can revolve in the vertical plane by pulling the lever by the hand. Two holes are provided, one for the red lamp and another for the green lamp. When the red band is horizontal or shows red light at night, it indicates stop. When the red band is inclined at 45 degrees or shows green light at night, it indicates to proceed. So you can see the red band is horizontal, it means the train has to stop. If the red band is inclined, it shows that the driver can proceed the train. And color light signals. Semaphore signals are being replaced by high intensity beam color light signals both during day and night. In case of color light signals, green color shows to proceed A red color shows stop or danger. In India, these signals are used on urban and suburban sections with heavy traffic. So this we all know. The red color light shows the train indication to stop, and yellow to proceed with caution, and double yellow to proceed with attention, and green color proceed further. Outer signals. So these outer signals are placed outer of a railway station. So they are placed at a distance of 0.54 km for BG and 0.4 km for MG, well before the railway station. It has one arm but may have a warner signal on the same post nearly 2 meters below it. In the stop position, the driver must bring the train to a stop at a distance of about 90 meters before the outer signal and then proceed to the on signal with caution. If it is in the proceed position, the driver can take the train at speed, assuming that on signal is also in the proceed position. On signal. Due to its location at the door of the station, it is termed as on signal. The on signal has bracketed arms to indicate which line is to be used. The function of the on signal is to protect the sidings already occupied. It is located at not more than 180 meters from the start of the point of switches. On signals carry as many arms as number of diverging lines. Starter signal. It makes the limit up to which the train stopping at a station should come to a stand. The starter is the last stop signal at the station. It controls the movement of trains when they depart from the station. No train can leave the station unless the starter signal shows the proceed position. Advanced starter signal. Besides the starter signal, for each of the station, lines from which train starts, an advanced starter may also be provided. The advanced starter becomes the last stop signal at stations where it is provided. It is an indication for the train having left the station. So in this figure you can see the outer signal first, and then second the on signal and restarting signal, and then followed by the advanced starter on both the sides. So on the upward side and the downward movement. Special signal. So we have repeated signal. When a train passes through a station without stopping, the driver comes across 5 signals in the sequence. The sequence is warner, outer, on, starter and advanced starter signals. When the driver's vision is obstructed by any overbridge between these signals, a signal is provided with duplicate arm of similar size at a suitable position, which repeats the indication of signal ahead. It is therefore termed as repeater signal. Here you can see the repeated signal. When the yellow strip is horizontal, it means that the train has to stop. When the yellow signal is inclined, it means we can proceed further. Routing signals. When various signals for trains and branch lines are fixed on the same vertical post, they are called as routing signal. Generally, the signal for the main line is kept at higher level than of the branch line. Calling on signal. These consist of small and short arms fixed on the same post below the main signals. A calling on signal permits a train to proceed cautionally after the train has been brought to halt by the main signal. These signals are helpful when repair works are going on.